Number 1, photography is an essential tool for law enforcement investigators. As a tool, it enables for him to record visible and, in any cases, the invisible evidence of crime. Number 2, forensic photography is an art or science that deals with the study of the principles of photography, the preparation of photographic evidence, and its application to police work. Number 3, police photography is defined as the study of the fundamentals of photography, its application to police work, and the preparation of photographic evidence. Number 4, flash photography is the key technique in forensic photography that uses flash to illuminate crime scenes and document evidence. Number 5, rule of thirds refers to the compositional technique where a crime scene and evidence is positioned along imaginary lines that divide the frame into 3 equal sections, both horizontally and vertically, placing key point interest at the intersections of these lines, creating a more visually balanced and informative photograph for documentation purposes. Number 6, ISO is a number that indicates how sensitive a camera sensor is to light. A higher ISO meaning the sensor is more sensitive, but the image quality may be worse. Number 7, aperture is the size of the opening in the lens camera lens that controls how much light enters the camera. It's an important part in forensic photography, which documents crime scenes and physical evidence. Number 8, shutter speed is the length of time a camera's shutter is open, which controls how much light is captured. In forensic photography, shutter speed is important for freezing actions and capturing details. Number 9, digital photography. Digital photography is the key parts in forensic photography. Is the key part in forensic photography that documents crime scenes and collects evidence. It's a vital tool in criminal investigations and court proceedings. Number 10, traditional photography uses film while digital photography uses memory card. Both types of photography are used in forensic photography, which is the application of photography to law enforcement. Number 11, in forensic photography, the key distinction between analog and digital photography lies in how image is captured and stored. Analog photography uses physical film to uses physical film to record light, requiring chemical development to produce a print, while digital photography uses an electronic sensor to 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 capture image directly as digital data on a memory card, allowing immediate viewing and manipulation on a computer. Number 12, parts of camera. Viewfinder, pentaprism, built-in flash button, lens release button, lens mount, focusing screen, mode dial, main dial, image sensor, image processor, condenser lens, shutter, aperture, grip, remote control sensor, memory card slot, red eye reduction, and the last one is buffer. Number 13, relative aperture. The speed or light gathering power of the lens equal to the ratio of the focal length to the diameter of its lens as compared to the brightness of the subject. Number 14, depth of field. The distance between the nearest and the farthest object in apparent sharp focus when the lens is focused at a given point. Number 15, hyperfocal distance. The nearest distance at which the lens is focused in particular f number to give maximum depth of field.